Finding the best microwave cart can make a huge difference in keeping your kitchen organized, functional, and clutter-free, especially when counter space is limited. A good microwave cart doesn't just hold your microwave safely, it also adds extra storage for cookware, utensils, coffee machines, or small appliances. After testing multiple microwave carts in US homes, apartments, and small kitchens, I've learned that stability, size, durability, and smooth mobility are the most important factors for daily use. Some carts even double as prep stations or coffee bars, which can be a real game changer for busy households, dorm rooms, or compact apartments. In this video, I'll walk you through some of the best microwave carts available, sharing real-world insights to help you choose the right one with confidence. You'll find all product links in the description below, and if you enjoy home and kitchen tips like this, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful reviews. Now let's get started.
Number 7. Rolling Kitchen Microwave Cart. This rolling kitchen microwave cart is a great option when space feels tight. I've used it not only in the kitchen, but also as a coffee station and even a home office storage cart. The smooth rolling wheels make it easy to move around, and the lockable casters keep it stable once positioned, which is especially helpful on tile or hardwood floors. The wood and metal frame feels solid and durable, while still being easy to wipe clean. It fits a standard microwave comfortably and leaves enough room for extra items like snacks or cookware. I also found the side hooks very useful for hanging towels or mugs. Assembly was straightforward and didn't take much time. The only minor limitation is the shelf height, which may feel tight for very tall items. Overall, this cart is practical, flexible, and easy to live with, a solid everyday solution for small kitchens. Number 6. Super J Baker's Rack with Power Outlet. I added this baker's rack when my kitchen outlets always felt crowded, and the built-in power outlets quickly became a favorite feature. Being able to plug in a microwave, coffee maker, or toaster without rearranging appliances makes mornings feel much calmer and more organized. The adjustable shelf height makes setup stress-free, allowing space for tall jars or appliances. The vintage wood grain finish adds warmth and blends nicely with modern US kitchens. Open shelves keep everything visible and easy to reach, while the side hooks are perfect for mugs or utensils. Assembly is simple, and the metal frame feels strong and stable. Shelf depth could be limiting for very large appliances, but overall, this baker's rack does an excellent job of saving space, reducing cord clutter, and improving daily workflow.
Number 5. Microwave kitchen cart with push handle. This microwave kitchen cart became a daily helper as soon as counter space started running out. The adjustable middle shelf made it easy to fit a microwave on top, and appliances like a rice cooker or air fryer below. The lockable rolling wheels glide smoothly and stay firmly in place when locked. I really like the push handle, which makes moving the cart feel natural and controlled. The vintage wood and iron design gives it a warm look that fits well in apartments and small US kitchens. With its 3-tier layout, it holds snacks, spices, and coffee gear in one organized spot. Shelf depth could be slightly limiting for oversized appliances, but overall, this cart adds flexible storage without taking over the room. Number 4. Kitchen Rolling Cart Microwave Stand. This rolling microwave stand works well in both the kitchen and home office. Its multi-room versatility makes it easy to switch between a microwave stand, coffee cart, or extra storage unit. The locking caster wheels roll smoothly and keep the cart steady during use. The scratch-resistant MDF top wipes clean easily, even with daily spills. 3 storage tiers provide enough space for dishes, towels, and small appliances without feeling crowded. Side hooks are great for utensils and dish towels. Assembly is quick and beginner-friendly. While very heavy items can make it harder to move, overall, this is a practical rolling cart for small spaces and everyday storage needs. Number 3. Yahit Kitchen Island Cart. I used this kitchen island cart in a tight kitchen, and it quickly became my extra set of hands. The lockable swivel wheels let me roll it out for prep work and lock it in place while cooking. The storage layout is well designed, with a drawer, cabinet, and open shelves that keep clutter off the counter. Side hooks are perfect for towels or oven mitts, and the wood grain finish looks warm and modern. It feels sturdy enough for daily use and handles small appliances and pantry items easily. Assembly takes some patience, and cabinet space is compact, but for added storage and mobility, this cart is very practical and easy to live with. Number 2. Whitmore Supreme Microwave Cart. This microwave cart works especially well in small kitchens, dorm rooms, and apartments. Its compact design instantly makes tight spaces feel more organized. The locking wheels allow easy movement while staying secure during use. It holds a microwave, plates, or even a small coffee setup without feeling bulky. The metal frame is lightweight but durable enough for everyday needs. It's not designed for heavy appliances, and the shelves are simple, but that simplicity is what makes it useful. If you want something easy to move, easy to fit, and stress-free, this cart delivers exactly that. Number 1. Amazon Basics Portable Kitchen Rack. This microwave cart honestly surprised me in a good way. I tested it in a small US apartment kitchen, and the chrome frame feels solid and stable, even with a microwave on top. The adjustable shelf height is a big plus, making it easy to fit taller appliances. Locking caster wheels allow smooth movement and reliable stability. It also works great as a coffee station or pantry rack. Assembly is fast and tool-free, which is perfect for busy days. The top surface feels basic, but for the price, this is a reliable, versatile, and budget-friendly microwave cart. After testing all these microwave carts, my top pick is the Amazon Basics Portable Kitchen Rack. It offers excellent stability, adjustable shelving, and smooth rolling wheels that make daily use effortless, especially in small US kitchens and apartments. If you're on a tighter budget or need something compact, the Whitmore Supreme Microwave Cart is also a smart choice for dorm rooms and small spaces. You'll find all product links and current prices in the description below. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest kitchen reviews and smart home finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.